नमस्कार, गुड आफ्टरनून। आज का टॉपिक है पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ सोरगम क्रॉप, पीओपीओ सोरगम क्रॉप। हाउ टू कल्टिवेट, व्हेन टू कल्टिवेट, व्हाट इज कल्टिवेट, मेथड ऑफ कल्टिवेशन आर स्टडी इन दिस पीपीटी. Sorghum Baechler Almond is the Sorghum Baechler is the botanical name of sorghum. Initially domesticated in Central Africa is the origin of sorghum in the region of Ethiopia and Sudan. Subsequently, cultivation of sorghum spread throughout Africa, Asia, and finally to the Americas and Australia. Today is one of the world major food crop, particularly in areas of the high temperature and low rainfall. It used for human consumption and to feed different kind of livestock such as bird, pigs and cows as a feed. Importance of sorghum crop. Sorghum is the third grain most used in the world to feed human population. 75% of the world's sorghum production is designated for human consumption. In places like India, Africa, China, sorghum provides 70% of the calories of the human diet. Sorghum is used to make meal like binder, sausages, flour, milkshakes, beer, also to provide alcohol and many more uses in the construction and in the industry. Sorghum, the rich food of carbohydrate, 70% high, protein 8 to 15%, mean 9% average, fat 3.4% average. Preparation of land for the sorghum crop. Sorghum is generally a kharif crop, is growing June to July month in northern areas as a grain, but maximum area is grow in as a user fodder crop. Preparation of land: 1 deep plowing with ambiplow full form moldboard plow in summer, followed by 3 to 4 harrowing to maintain weed free condition. Making compartmental bunds of 10 meter into 10 meter in the month of August for soil moisture conservation. Selection of high yielding hybrid and varieties. Maharashtra. Medium to heavy soil areas: CH16, CH18, SPH 388, CSH223, CSH25, CSH30 is the variety grow in Maharashtra belt. In Karnataka, low rainfall area: CSH14, CSH70, CSH30. Normal rainfall areas: CSH16, CSH30, CSH18, CSH23, CSH30. These varieties are recommended in non-normal rainfall areas of Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh, low rainfall areas: CH14, PSH1. These varieties are useful growing in low rainfall areas of Andhra Pradesh. Normal rainfall areas: CSH23, CSH25, CSH30. Rajasthan, medium to heavy soil zone: CSH14, CSH23, CSH25, CSH27. These varieties are recommended in Rajasthan medium to heavy soil zone areas. Method of sowing and time of sowing. Method of sowing: the crop is sown by bullock drawn seed drill with 2 or 3 cultivar at 7 cm depth in the soil. The seeds are covered by 1 harrowing after sowing by seed drill. It is also sown by tractor drawn seed drill with 4 cultivar with simultaneously cover of seed by blade attached to the seed drill. Time of sowing. The optimum sowing time for Kharif crops is last week of May to second fortnight of July. Seed rate spacing, plant population and nutrient management. Seed rate 8 to 10 kg per hectare is required for seed purpose. Spacing row to row 45 cm and plant to plant 15 cm. Thinning in the most interculture practices doing for maintaining plant spacing proper 45 into 15. Plant population 2.1 to 2.2 lakh per hectare. Optimum population of plant. Nutrient management 80 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus, 50% nitrogen and full phosphorus at sowing. Balance 50% 30 days after sowing. Application of urea, application of nitrogen fertilizer just half at time of sowing after remaining 30 days after sowing. Use of phosphorus, full dose of use of phosphorus at a time of sowing. This practice increase the nutrient use efficiency of urea of nitrogen fertilizer. Intercultural cultivation and weed control. Intercultivation of 2 or 3 times 3, 5 and 7 weeks after sowing to check the weed growth and also help conserve soil moisture by providing topsoil mulch. Weed. What is weed? Weed is an unwanted plant growing anywhere, anytime. Weeding is a practice in which removal of unwanted plant. Weeds compete to crop for moisture, for nutrient, for feed, for food, for nutrient and etc. And lastly reduce the yield of main crop. Mulch, soil mulch. What is mulch? Mulch is a word cover the soil to reduce the soil moisture by crop residue, straw, polythene sheet, maybe etc. Weed management. Application of atrazine at the rate 0.5 kg per hectare is recommended for spraying on the soil as a pre-emergence application, that is on the second or third day of sowing. Sorghum based cropping system in Kharif. Sorghum with red gram as a intercrop is found practicable in 2:1 or 3:3 row proportion. Alternately, the sorghum and fodder copies as a intercrop in the ratio 2:2 is also 40% more profitable. Soybean is also becoming other important intercrop with sorghum. In the intercropping system, the yield of grain and fodder from the sorghum crop is similar to its sole cropping. Therefore, the grains from the intercrop are additional. In the deep black soil having adequate rainfall, sunflower or Bengal gram can be grow after Kharif sorghum. Two words are more important in this slide: intercrop, sole crop. Intercrop, these were defined as a grow 2 or 3 crop is in a proportion, indefinite proportion, indefinite ratio. Give more yield, give increase farmer standard, increase farmer economic condition. Sole crop, growing pure one crop in a field. Plant protection. Leaf blight. Many leaf blight symptoms appear on the leaves on the form of spindle-shaped neurotic to brown lesions. Such lesions may be emerged to form large irregular patches. Control spraying of the Indophil M45 at the rate 500 gram into 50 liter of water per hectare. Give the spray at 10 days interval. Weed control pre-emergence application of atrazine at the rate 1 kg active ingredient is recommended for the weed control. Bird damage, to save the crop for bird damage, apply malathion 500 dust on the crop, especially on the outer rows.